Hi, I'm Dr. LJ Rose from the Natural Wellness Academy, where we train coaches to improve lives. And we're hoping that we're improving your life with these daily wellness recipes. Today is a recipe from Mind and Spirit, and it's about anxiety because we all suffer from anxiety and stress. But a lot of times, what we're stressing about, what we're anxious about, has nothing to do with a current situation. We're hardwired, we're programmed. And so once that starts flooding our system, we're in that moment and it's not going to change on its own. So what I do is when I notice that I'm anxious, I ask myself two questions. What do you love? And what are you grateful for? That just shifts me completely. So once you start thinking about someone or something that you love or something that you're very grateful for, you're in the present moment. You're breaking the circuit and you start to get the positive, the dopamine and the endorphins flowing that are going to get you out of that anxious state. What do you do when you get stressed out? Are you noticing? Are you taking a breath? Ask yourself, what do you love? What are you grateful for? Get into the habit of this and you'll break those circuits and reprogram, rewire those neural pathways. This has been your daily wellness recipe.